Okay, my nuclear reactor lock has some more safety to my nuclear reactor. It has like a diesel generator next to the reactor, but if it explodes, it won't delete the generator or just like destroy it. And the water comes from the ground. And if you take the controls all the way out, you'll see that the wall will go up, skyrocket until it just explodes because it uses a lot more water. Restart it or whatever. I'm just gonna. If it's on, if the power plant is on, it'll look like this. But if it's off, it looks like this. Or it's exploded. But you will be able to hear that by the fire. Oh, it's also got a jetpack. Pretty cool. Ate it. He's coming! I gotta explode unit 3. Okay, bye.